Hi, and welcome back to my channel. Today is Earth Day's 50th anniversary, and I felt like I needed to create a video in honor of this momentous day. As a plant person, Earth Day is the voice of environmental consciousness. It raises public awareness, concerns for living organisms, the environment, the links between pollution and public health. And I feel like so many of those things greatly impact the habitats or the ecosystems of where several of our beloved plants originally come from. So if there's any day that our plants can celebrate, like the holiday for plants would be Earth Day. So in honor of Earth Day, I want to show you guys a couple of ways of how you can honor our planet, but also our plants every day. One of the ways that you can reduce your carbon footprint and make a positive impact on the planet and also your plants is making your own DIY plant hanger. I'm going to show you guys how to make this plant hanger out of an old t-shirt. It doesn't require any sewing skills, only scissors, and that is it. Other ways of reducing your carbon footprint would be recycling some of the things that you own for your plant. These coasters are perfect as little planter trays that can catch the water if you have plants still in grow pots. And I have a lot of plants that are still in grow pots, and they fit a 4-inch pot perfectly. I also have reused this old butter tray, this nice glass butter tray. It was missing a top, but I'm actually using it as a little water tray for one of my sendu plants that constantly needs its soil saturated, and it's been working fantastic. So I just fill up the tray with water and my plant is happy. Another upcycling tip that I have shared in a prior video is using old Pyrex dishes or baking pans. The glassware is fantastic because instead of buying those cheap plastic plant trays, Pyrex glass bakingware is excellent. It serves the same purpose, it lasts longer, and it's not going into a landfill. So that's another fantastic way. And those are just a couple of ways that I will upcycle and repurpose items for my plants. If you liked this video, hit that like button and subscribe. And there's also a notification bell that will alert you of when I release my next video. I hope these tips were helpful for someone, and as always, thanks so much for watching.